Hello, Kriegsspielers. This is Umpire Lafondios, and we're going to spend a few minutes with Moltke. Today is tactical problem number 7 from Moltke's Tactical Problems, which were 66 problems presented to officer students between 1858 and 1882. Let me orient you to the map. To the east, off the map totally, is the city of Poznan, which is currently being besieged. Osno-Lubisky is in the northeast of the battle area. Sulo is a small town that is 13 kilometers from Osno-Lubisky. Kunowice is 8 kilometers from Sulo. The purple arrow to the west shows the path of the Oder River, which also plays a role in this scenario. The situation is that an Eastern Corps has moved west in support of the siege of Poznan to try to stop the enemy prior to it crossing the Oder River. It sent its 1st Division forward as an advance guard and kept 2 divisions with its main body. The 1st Division comes into contact with a large enemy force, revealing that in fact the Eastern Corps has been unable to stop the enemy from crossing the river. The Eastern Corps commander now has a problem. As Moltke asks, what is the Eastern Corps commander to do? Of course, Moltke always starts with looking at the terrain, and he examines the terrain in that entire yellow line, within the entire yellow box shown there, from Osno-Lubisky all the way to Kunowice. It's mostly forest and open with a lot of roads, and he determines that there is no advantageous place for that Eastern Corps to try to stop a force larger than itself. And so that the best course of action is to retreat through Osno-Lubisky back east to protect the siege of Poznan, always keeping its main body in between the enemy forces and the besieging forces at Poznan. However, the Eastern Corps commander, before he can retreat, has a problem. His 1st Division is in contact with enemy forces. So the enemy must not be able to pin down the 1st Division. So the Eastern Corps main body should remain concentrated and actually move toward the 1st Division to extract it. The best circumstance, according to Moltke, is if the 1st Division is able to use road number 1, which takes it to Osno-Lubisky. This way, the 1st Division can quickly rendezvous with the Eastern Corps main body, and the 3 divisions together can retreat northeast and back toward the city of Poznan. However, the enemy forces may force the 1st Division to take road number 2, which is to the south, at which point Moltke observes that the Eastern Corps main body, consisting of the remaining 2 divisions, should remain concentrated and try to move southwest and keep the enemy from concentrating as it comes out of the woods that are immediately to the east of the Oder River. This would allow the 1st Division to extract, at which point the Eastern Corps main body could then extract up road number 1. In all cases, the 1st Division must be saved, but the Eastern Corps main body must maintain its position between the enemy forces and the siege at Poznan. In this case, Moltke says, you must move forward to move back. Hope you enjoyed this few minutes with Moltke, and we look forward to seeing you at our Kriegsspiel games, and we look forward to seeing you on the board. Thanks so much.